brought us a burger to share. Yummy! Huh? What's happening? Why is it growing? Oh no! It burst! There's bits of burger everywhere. I thought it was just a regular burger. These burgers could cause a lot of trouble. Yay! It's time for echoes in the tunnel. Blub 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 blub. I bought a snack. Yay! Huh? Ah! What was in that burger?
Out of my way! Express coming through!
All aboard, Funlings! Yay! Yay! Right, lunchtime! Burger! Uh-oh! Everybody, run! What's happening in that express carriage? Ah!
I've got burger all over me. Who did that?
It was an accident, sir. My burger just started growing and then burst.
Out of my way! Something's happening to my burger!
Look into the distance. There are burgers bursting everywhere.
Oh no! We need to get to the bottom of this mystery. Driver Funling, where did you get your burger from?
Chef Funling gave it to me at his tea room.
Right, I think it's time we paid him a little visit.
Hello, Your Majesty. What will it be today? Hello, Chef Funling. I think I'll have a burger today, please. Here you go.
No! Throw out the burger!
Huh? Hey! What's wrong with my burger?
Oh no! It's too late! Everybody, run!
What's just happened?
You've been serving everybody bursting burgers, and I would like to know why.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Mayor Funling. I didn't make any bursting burgers.
Right. Well, I'm going to have to close the tea room for now then.
No, I'm sure this is just one big misunderstanding.
Oh no, look over there. There are burgers bursting in the dinosaur park.
Right, today's lunch is from Chef Funling's tea room. I hope you enjoy your burger. Huh? What's happening? Quick, jump overboard! Well, I wasn't expecting that. You guys can get lunch tomorrow.
Run! I think we lost it. Phew, that was a close one. Anyway, I've brought us lunch. A burger? No! For some reason, burgers attract all of the dinosaurs here. They love burgers. Oops. Huh? What's happening? Oh no! Now we're covered in burger! And here come the dinosaurs! Oh dear. Don't worry, we're here to save the day. Look over here, dinosaurs. Here's a truck full of burgers. Go and help yourselves. Thank you, Professor Funling. You rescued us. How can we ever repay you? No, don't worry. It's sort of my fault that this happened in the first place. You see, I was so excited I'd invented growing burgers that I rushed to Chef Funling's tea room to show him. However, I couldn't find him, so I waited. But as I waited, Robot Funling found me and said that the burgers in the lab were all bursting. So I left. And Chef Funling must have accidentally mixed my burgers in with his own.
You caused a lot of trouble today, Professor. But you also saved the day. So thank you. And at least the bursting burger mystery has been solved.